Chef Sau Del Rosario. Tubong Kamampangan 100%. I'm here to do something for NutriAsia. Many times that we work together. And the beauty about NutriAsia, we are so in sync, no? We have so many things in common. And it's very fitting on my cuisine. And you know, they are very sustainable. The company is Filipino. And that's the beauty about NutriAsia. How can I say no to them? This is by far the most successful event for NutriAsia we had. Because when you talk about Kapampangan, you talk about food, you talk about talents, and it's evident today we have all these people coming from different parts of Luzon, and I would say this is very successful. We should do this more often. Basically, this is a meeting of great minds and great talent. That's what Pampanga can offer.
My name is Eric Rivera from 25 Seeds. So unang-una, very happy kasi madami tayong matututunan dito, madami tayong mapupulot na bagong ideas.
Ako po si Chef Joanne of Porch Coffee po. It's a great opportunity po, especially here sa Pampanga. It's an opportunity rin kay NutriAsia na matry din namin yung mga ingredients.
Hi everyone, I'm Chef Valerie from Cafe Hola. I'm very happy to be invited here and I'm very excited to see all of our friends here. At the same time, happy ako na ma-meet yung ibang mga chef and mga kasama natin sa industry.
I'm Manuela Cherry Pachantan. I'm from Mapagmarangle and Cocina Manuela. Well, we really appreciate all these efforts to gather us in one place. Tapos, they introduce new ingredients, yung mga pwedeng makatulong sa lalo magpapasarap ng pagkain. And also, with the help of Chef Sau, marami siya mga new ideas na tinuro sa atin today. So, marami kami ma-apply.
The heritage of Kapampangan is simply very important, right? As I mentioned a while ago, that the story beyond this wonderful, glorious Kapampangan food is very important. You know, sometimes when you eat something or you smell something, it draws you back memory, right? It gives you back memory lane, like, oh wow, that's my mom's used to cook for me. Today, I think I imparted not just my talent, but I also shared my recipes and stories because after all, food is a story. Well, my advice that they should continue what they're doing. Food business is a cutthroat business. It's very difficult, but you must have the passion. As long as you have the passion, you have to follow your heart and you're happy what you're doing. I don't see any reason why you stop doing this. Do it for your passion, and then ialay mo rin sa magulang mo because this is what they pass on to us. The recipes, the glorious recipes that we cook, we honor our mga ninuno, and that's what Kapampangan is all about.